Welcome to 712 Jackson, apartment B or 2. We're right here on Jackson. West Berry Street is right there. You have St. Joe Hospital. There's the newspaper. We're right downtown. That's the newspaper printing press. Got a large open front porch that's shared. And we're here at 712 Jackson, apartment 2 or B. I'm not sure which one, but it's upstairs. You come in through that security door that closes automatically. The whole building is basically an all utilities paid. I mean, you have a small sewer water surcharge, but it's all on a hot water boiler. Come into a little foyer shared. There's the downstairs door. And then you'll come up the stairs. Guys just stripped everything off these stairs, bring them back. They were painted. You got a little landing here, a little cushion or a seating place, maybe shoe storage. On up. And you come out into a large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, nice tall ceilings. Remember your radiators. This is just a radiator cover. And so it's got this little pan in it. This is old school technology, man. They were brilliant. Then you put water in it, and then it'll slowly put the water off, and it'll give you great humidity in the house. So you won't be able to do the shuffle, shock thing. Whoa, beautiful. I just put my hand on that. That's warm. Look how pretty these things are. I mean, this is just, people don't do this work anymore. It's just slam stuff together nowadays. It's not craftsmanship. All right, so nice, large living room. Those are 2 closets right there. Let me open those up for you. And then I'll step back and show you. See, those are 2 big closets, kind of right here in the middle. The door right there is the door that we came in. So, nice big living room. You can get just about anything in here. A couple good closets. Come down to a huge bedroom. I mean, just huge. 18 by 15, gargantuan bedroom. Also has that vent cover over the radiator so that you can put some water there and do the humidified item. It's got hers and hers closets. I don't know where Mr. Wonderful's going to put his stuff. But Mrs. Wonderful or Miss Wonderful is going to be set. See? Double closets. Put your bed in here for the couple, and then you each have your own closet. Huge bedroom. I mean, this is one of the larger bedrooms you're going to find, certainly in West Central. Back into the kitchen. It's like February of 18. We just put down this new flooring. You've got, again, the radiator cover. You've got a pantry here. Refrigerator, gas stove. We pay all your utilities here at 712 Jackson. It's an upstairs 1 bedroom. There's laundry in the basement. You're going to have a water sewer surcharge, but outside of that, we're going to pay all of your utilities. So it's just one price. You got good oak cabinets, new countertop just installed right now. More cabinets, plenty of room up here for all that fondue pot and everything you got when you graduated college because your aunt didn't know what to get you. All right, and we just remodeled the bathroom, so it's got that same new flooring. This had an old clawfoot tub, and it is now a modern shower surround. It was more of a nurse's tub. It was not the right tub for in here. It still has the on-the-wall sink, toilet. It's not the biggest bathroom, but it's a nice modern bathroom. You'll be able to use it very easily. 712 Jackson is one more feature. You know, those beautiful old radiators. So I don't know that it's a feature or not, but it exists. So let's take a quick look. But, well, now it's all went dark. You have walk upstairs to the attic. Now, are you going to live up here? No, it's February right now. It's cold. It's got that cool kind of sideways diagonal fire chimney chimney there. But you can have some storage up here. Good place to put your Christmas tree. Heck, maybe a month and a half out of the year for a little bit in the spring and a little bit in the fall. It's actually a reasonable place to be. All right, so 712 Jackson, upstairs, basically Barry Jackson, Main Street. Large living room, hardwood floors. We pay all your utilities. You got 2 big closets. You got a huge bedroom with hers and hers closets. You got a remodeled kitchen, new counters, new cabinets, gas stove. And a remodeled bathroom just happened with the modern style bathtub. Again, 712 Jackson, 1 bedroom upstairs, West Central, laundry in the basement. Thank you for watching.